All right, it's day 2 of our Binance Smart Chain 90 days buying challenge with buying of PHT using DCA dollar cost average for 100 days. So I want to say a very big congratulations to every one of us. All right, because currently everything about the Binance Smart Chain is bullish. All right, so let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's see what's going on with Binance itself. So as you can see, Binance has been pumping. All right, and among the other altcoins, Binance is actually the first to even surpass the previous all-time high price since 2021. All right, so and I made mention of this in my previous video, okay, that if some of the dollars money from this BNB market capitalization flows into the Binance smart chain meme coins, a lot of people will become a billionaire. Yes, that's certain. Okay, so and what we are doing here now is to position ourselves, is to make sure we take advantage of the opportunity that we have right now. And as you know, opportunity is all about timing. Okay, so and I want us to leverage this opportunity. So we are going to be buying some meme coins today. Okay, so first and first, we need to buy PHT, and one of the reasons why we are going to be buying PHT every day, even if we don't buy any other meme coin, is simply because PHT gives us access to get or earn free wiki cards. You understand? So a lot of people actually missed out on wiki card. Okay, so like there's still an opportunity to buy wiki card, buy as many as possible right now, but you can actually use one stone, to kill two birds right now. Okay, you buy PHT and get wiki card for free. So you'll be earning wiki card almost every day. Let me go to Chrome. So like I made a video about this in my previous video. I got finished token. I never knew I was even earning wiki card for free. So this is the wiki card I earned for free just by having this finished token. So like this is a mind-blowing opportunity. All right, so and as I said before in my previous video, we'll be buying PHT every day, like $5 to $10 every day. All right, dollar cost averaging. Okay, so let's go and check PHT chart on their screener, because I told you guys we are not going to be buying these meme coins blindly. Right, so now this is the BHT right here on their screener. Okay, let's go to chart and see what's going on. See, this is the monthly time frame, and from the monthly time frame you can see that wiki card is actually still bullish. All right, so it's a bullish. This is a break of structure to the upside, okay, with a full body candle closure. All right, so and if we check the daily, we can see that this PHT is currently on the support level. Okay, and also let me tell you guys something. See these two zones. Okay, I actually marked these two zones when wiki card price actually got to like this level. Okay, like here, when it was around here. Okay, so and I marked this level that okay, I want to buy more. So if the price gets here, I'm definitely going to buy more. Lo and behold, the price actually got here, and it doesn't actually it didn't waste time, and it just boom, like it's skyrocketed like crazy, and I missed out the opportunity to buy more at this level. Okay, and here is another level. Okay, the support level. I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe it's also going to skyrocket again like this. Okay, so but whether it skyrockets or not, we'll keep buying every day for the next 90 to 100 days. All right. So because like this is a huge support zone, you can see it has tested this level, like, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, and as you can see right here, it's reversing. Okay, it's reversing. So this has a great potential, like a massive potential. Okay, so this is the current market cap. Don't forget, yesterday when I made a video about it, it was around 300,000 plus market cap. Okay, so don't be surprised if it gets to 500k, 700k, 1 million. It has done that before. So in the next few weeks, it could actually get to $2 million market cap. That's how crazy this thing can be. So, and as you can see, the total supply is 8 million, and currently what is available is 6 million plus PHT, because as there are transactions going on, there is like PHT bonds, like burning. Okay, so it's actually deflationary. Okay, so for every buying and selling, okay, there's a transaction fee, and they also bond PHT. All right, just like Binance is buying back to bond their what's it called, coin, BNB. Okay, so PHT is also doing the same thing as well. And another mind-blowing thing is that PHT is not just a meme coin, it has utility. Okay, they also created something, what's it called, fire screener. Okay, which will definitely turn to something like desk screener and coin market cap in future. All right, so as you can see right here, okay, so this platform here belongs to PHT Phoenix. Okay, so other what's it called, developers, they are listing their their coin on this platform. So if you have your own coin, you can actually contact them and negotiate with them to add your tokens or your meme coins on their platform, right? So like this is a mind-blowing opportunity. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just go straight and buy. Okay, don't forget, in my previous video, day one, I already showed you how to buy. Okay, so you need to get 3 things. Okay, you need to get the screener application like this. You can download it on Play Store or Apple Store. You need a decentralized wallet. I recommend OKX wallet. Okay, because in that my previous video, I tried BitGet wallet. It was doing nonsense, so I had to use OKX wallet. Okay, so and what else? Okay, you need a Mex Global Exchange account where you can buy your USDT, convert it to BNB, and that stuff like that. You're going to see the links in the description box, so make sure you check the link in the description box. All right, so let's go back to our OKX wallet and buy. So currently now that BNB is pumping, okay, very soon the meme coins, the tokens, the altcoins under this Binance Smart Chain will start pumping very soon as well. So that's one of the major reasons why we must position ourselves. Okay, so I'm gonna click on PHT right now. Okay, and get some. All right. So, and don't forget, we're also gonna buy under meme coin. Okay, so I'm gonna click on BNB swap and 0.0063. Okay, so I'm gonna click on swap. I understand. Confirm. So now let's go buy the next meme coin. Okay, so as you can see, we've gotten another, what's it called, damn, like I used same 0.063 to get this yesterday, 95 plus PhD. Now that same 0.06 God of mercy is giving me 90 plus PhD. You know why? Because a PhD price has increased. Okay, let's go to the screen now. Okay, so currently now the price is 0.18. Wow. Abi? Yeah, one PhD. Okay, one PhD now is 0.06. 0.06. That's the current price now. This is right here. So it wasn't up to this amount yesterday. So wow. All right. So now what I want to say is this, okay? If you can afford more than $5, $10, $20 to be buying daily, do that. It's better. All right, it's better. Okay. So, and this is not a pump and dump meme coin. Okay. So let's go to the next one. Let me check it here. Okay. All right. This is the next one right here. Yeah, BNB Lion. So this is the next one right here, BNB Lion. Okay, this is also created 1 year, 7 months. I don't really know much about this. Okay, so all I know is that it's also a meme coin that has been created over a year. Okay, I've actually bought some, I've sold some. Okay, so we're also going to be buying it during this challenge. Okay, so you can buy like $1 to $2. So I'll go to my OKS wallet. So first, let's also check the chart. Okay, we said we're not going to be buying blindly. Okay, so I'm going to click on chart. Okay, so yeah, so from the chart we can know that, okay, we are not buying a falling knife, we are not buying something that is crashing, something that is dumping. Okay, so from the chart you can see this is also currently at a support level. Okay, so you can see it's currently at a support level here. So, and it could pump massively from here. Okay, we can't tell. So, but what I'm seeing on the chart right here, okay, so we have something nice. And also currently, let's check from the monthly. Okay, this one too is bullish. Okay, because we can see a break of structure to the upside. Okay, so higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. Okay, so currently there's a huge retracement, and after the retracement, after the pullback, the next thing is for you to continue pushing up. All right, so now let's go and buy the BNB Lion. Okay, so I'm gonna click on BNB, then click on swap, then paste. Okay, so make sure, as I am dropping this video every day, be buying these coins. All right, be buying them. So as you are buying them, you are using your wallet to buy them. Okay, so it's not that you are giving your money to anybody. Like, you can just consider this that like you are doing a daily contribution, or you are contributing money, saving it in your wallet. But instead of just saving naira or dollar directly, you are using it to buy something that can give you massive gains in the long run. Okay, so now let's buy this 0.0016. Okay, so I'm gonna click on swap via OKX test. confirm transaction, confirm. So I just bought this. All right, so let's check the supply of this. So this is 95.30 quadrillion. Okay, whereas PHT is just the available circulating supply is 6 million plus. You can see that one is really limited. Okay, it's limited. So, and if the whales get to know about it, that PHT price, like the whales, once they start buying it, the price will skyrocket massively, because the PHT market cap now, I think, is around 400k, which is something that a whale can decide how much is 400k. But the beauty of all this thing is that like, as more buyers are coming in, the price will keep pumping. That's it. Then another thing I want to tell you guys, okay, as we are buying the stocks, I want us to work for our bag. Okay, let's not just be buying and buying. Let's also try and work for our bag, by going to Twitter to comment on posts related to some of these meme coins we are buying. Okay, so you can start with that by going to my Twitter account. Okay, so go to my Twitter account. Okay, make a comment, because as I'm dropping these videos on YouTube, I'm also dropping them on Twitter. So drop a comment, share. Okay, and also I want to announce to you that, like, by the end of, let's say in the next 30 days, we are definitely going to start what's it called, giveaway. Okay, so, and for those that will be liking, commenting, and sharing those videos on Twitter, I'll just ask Grok, what's it called, Grok. Grok on Twitter now. That's the XAI. So I'll ask the Twitter AI Grok to mention at least 3 people that has been sharing, commenting, and posting these videos. So that's just it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.